All right, so here we go with a little explanation of our final project. And this is what I would like you to complete and submit today for your Keystone Day. First of all, on your iPad, if you don't have the Desmos app, okay, I would like you to download that through Manager, or you can just go to Sapphire and go to desmos.com on there and be able to do the same thing. So if I went to desmos.com, all right, for the graphing calculator, I could do all the same things that I'm about to describe to you through the app, okay? So here we go, graphing calculator. This would be the web-based version. It all works the same, okay? I am going to use the app for this video. So I want you to go into the app. First thing I want you to do is hit login, okay? Log in with Google. That'll bring you into your own account. All right, simple as that. Okay, should see your name up here in the top corner then. Then I want you to title the graph, okay? So if you go up here and hit the little bar, Untitled Graph, and let's give it a name. This is a demo for you guys, and I'm just going to name it after myself, Mr. W. You can name yours after your name, okay? All right, now what we're going to do here is I also forwarded you a PDF, okay, that has a list of coordinates in it. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to type those coordinates in, and then it makes a picture. Simple as that. So it should be really easy. So first coordinate here that I'm seeing on my list is 0, 12. Your list should be the same. So I'm going to type in 0, 12, close my parenthesis, and then the next point says 3, 4. But I need to include a comma in between. So my next parenthesis here, 3, 4. Okay, close parenthesis. Notice how I have 2 dots that appear on my screen over here, right? 2 dots that appear on my screen, okay? But I want those dots connected. So what I need to do is come up here, hit my little gear, all right? Hit the big blue dot here and turn the lines function on, okay? And I want solid lines, so make sure that's the one that's highlighted, okay? Now you should see that your dots will be connected as you type them in. So I'm going to go to my next point here, which is 10, 4, so parenthesis 10, comma 4, close parenthesis, okay? Comma, parenthesis. Next point is 4, -2. Just be careful you don't miss any points. Okay, so notice how each time I type in a point, once I close that parenthesis, the next piece of this picture, okay, becomes into my vision here. So the next one is 6, -10. Okay, 6, -10. Close parenthesis. And I keep going until all my points are entered. Okay, once I get to the end of my list, you see the words line ends. That means I need to skip ahead to the next. If once I get to a line ends, I want to go ahead and hit the enter key. Okay, and that brings me to my second line. So notice how those points will all be one line. And then if I start a second line, okay, like the second one here is 0, 14. Okay, and then I have 4, 5. Notice that again my points will not be connected until I hit the gear and go over here, touch my green dot, turn my line function on. Okay, now it's connecting those dots again. I'm going to change them to black. Okay, and then hit done. And the same process for that one. And then until you're finished with the whole picture. Once you're finished with the whole picture, make sure you hit the save at the top. Okay, it'll save it. And then what you're able to do here is use your little share button, okay? And you can share a link to your graph, and that's what I would like you to submit as your assignment today on Schoology.